Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to today's trade breakdown. I'm going to be talking a little bit about these higher time frame confluences on the daily and some hourly. So this right here is a BISI. It's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, meaning imbalance to the buy side, inefficiency to the sell side. So we're not offering any bearish price action in this range on the daily. So usually, like here, this is used as a bullish PD array, using it as a foothold to go higher. And as we invert it, I'm now expecting that to be used as a bearish PD array. So it's going to be an inversion BISI, an inversion fair value gap. So how can I use these? Well, let's talk about, hold on. In the Discord this morning, I said, here's my high time frame charts. I'm looking for prices to take buy side liquidity and respect the daily BISI to go lower. So what does that mean? Let's jump down into some lower time frames here. So I wanted us to take buy side liquidity, which is this. During the pre-market, we were kind of just ranging, building up orders, engineering liquidity. So we open up, take minor sell side, run buy side, just like I was anticipating. And I said I want to see the BISI respected as an inversion to send price lower. So we run the buy side, come up just to this top octane here. Didn't even want to get to the top of it. That tells me we're ready to go lower. So I'm looking to start inverting these PD arrays, especially the ones overlapping the quadrant and octant levels. I actually wanted to get into this trade off of this fair value gap here, which is this one, overlapping this upper quadrant. But I didn't end up getting filled. It ran without me, so I had to settle for a little bit worse position in the trade, but it's okay. I can deal with that. So we run buy side, we come down into here, we close the hour, close the 10 o'clock hour right here. So let's go look at that on the app really. So that's this candle. We run buy side and then we come close. We take out this low of this hourly and we close here. That basically tells me if this is going to be used as an order block. So as soon as this 10 o'clock candle looks open, I'm looking for a reason to get short inside of this range here, inside of this hourly up close candle, this order block. So after 10, that's what this price is right here. So that's this wick of this candle. We open up, come back up here into the midpoint of this free value gap, respect it, respect it, respect it. As we're doing that, we're respecting the first presented fair value gap of the day, and we're also starting to respect this new week opening gap high. So as soon as we close out of here, out of this first presented fair value gap right here, I'm putting my limit order right in here. So I want to go in here and tap it one more time, but I want to see it send lower, which is exactly what happened here. So yeah, we start running out of this opening range gap, start showing no interest of exploring out of it anymore, and if that's telling me we're wanting to explore the liquidity in this gap, fill in the gap and maybe go below. So 10 o'clock macro, that's when I enter. Price just takes off from there, it takes out London, respects this NWOG. I ended up getting out in yesterday's first presented. I was trying to get out as we were reaching to close in this opening range gap here. I would have held it longer because I was expecting, on the high time frame, I was expecting these lows to be taken out. To be taken out today, but I was at the hospital my mom had a surgery this morning, so I was just taking care of her, making sure she had everything she needed. I actually made this trade in the car, in the hospital parking lot. So yeah, what I'm really utilizing these higher time frame confluency, these higher time frame ideas to frame out my lower time frame trades. So it's essentially like zooming in on price. The exact same way this works, this fair value gap works. Okay, we're respecting it, respecting lower half, close below the half, and then we leave it. It's the same way that this one works and this one works, just on a higher time frame. So we're just zooming into price to get an idea of what the high time frame order flow wants to do. Align yourself with the script that's running price, and you will never be surprised by moves like this, ever. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty much all I got for today's trade. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy. This is kind of another bread and butter setup. I was not expecting what was it? 1,600 point move today. But that's what we got. This is interesting price action to me. This big wick is very interesting. Tomorrow, I would like to see us just eat through this and come and probably close inside of this imbalance here. You see where we turned around today? I'll show you. This is a volume imbalance. There's actually no real trading inside this top part here. So let me show you that on a 1 minute. Just hit the consequent encroachment of this imbalance and just poked inside of that volume imbalance here. Buyers respected the midpoint, respecting the octet. Then we run higher the rest of the day and create this huge wick. But yeah, tomorrow I'd really like to see us eat through this and show some more bearish price action. I think tomorrow is CPI numbers come out. Yeah, CPI at 8:30 tomorrow, so it should be an interesting day. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I got for you for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.